Hello students, in today's class we will discuss about the very important concept from the amine. So that is why aniline is less basic than ammonia. Okay, so many times this question will ask in exam, why aniline is less basic than ammonia. So you know the structure of aniline, benzene ring containing the NH2 group, that is aniline. Why that aniline is less basic than ammonia? Ammonia structure you know, NH3. Okay, just see students, whenever you see the structure of aniline, okay, so in aniline the lone pair of electron present on the nitrogen atom. So you know that on nitrogen atom lone pair of electron is present, okay, and is delocalized. Delocalized means there is a shifting of pi electrons, okay, double bond will shift on the benzene ring due to the plus R means resonance effect, okay. So resonance effect and plus M is what? Mesomeric effect. So why this shifting of electron takes place? Why this delocalization of electron takes place? Due to the what? Mesomeric as well as resonating effect. Okay. Hence, the availability of the electron for donation decreases. Okay. Now clear? Then availability of the electron for the donation what? Decreases. This is important. So therefore, it is a less basic than ammonia. So just see the structure. So with the help of this resonance structure you can easily understand, okay, how that lone pair of electron going to be shift, how the delocalization of electron takes place. Just I am showing the resonance of aniline. Okay students, just see the structure of aniline. So this is your benzene ring, okay, so it benzene ring containing this NH2. So NH2 means this is amine, it is what? Aniline. Okay, where you already know that in before that we discussed on nitrogen lone pair of electrons are present. These are the lone pair of electrons. Okay students. So when you see the resonating structure of this aniline, what happens? Just see, it is very interesting and very important concept. Okay, this lone pair of electron will shift toward this bond. So what happens now? So here double bond will come in next canonical structure. Then already this double bond is there. You know, two double bond never remain together. Okay, when this lone pair of electron will shift here, means double bond will come in another structure. Okay, and simultaneously this pi bond will shift toward this carbon. Here carbon already. So this pi bond is electrons. One electron having the one minus charge having the two electrons. Okay, means in that bond two electrons are there. So this two electron will shift here, means minus charge will come. Okay, so in next structure what happens students? These two electrons means minus charge will shift here. Okay, then in another structure double bond will come. Just check it. Double bond will come in here. Then already double bond is there. Simultaneously this double bond will shift toward this carbon, means minus charge will come in another structure. Okay, in another structure just see in fourth structure this electron will shift, means minus charge will shift, means double bond will come in another structure. Just see here double bond will come. That's why this double bond will shift, minus charge will come here. Okay, so in another structure this minus charge will shift here, means double bond will come. Already this double bond is there. Again this double bond will shift toward this nitrogen, means lone pair of electron again reshifted, means this lone pair of electron will come, and this now double bond is converted to now single bond. Okay, and this this minus charge will shift, means two electron will come in here. Okay, now students just see. So in this resonating structure, what you observe? Structure first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So these are the resonating structure. So the electron will shifting from the amine group NH2 to benzene ring. Okay, so this is what resonating structure. It undergoes mesomeric effect. Okay, now clear? So once again I repeat this already this nitrogen having the lone pair of electron, this lone pair of electron will shift, double bond will come. Already here double bond is there, this double bond will shift, minus charge will come in second structure. Again in third structure this minus charge will shift here, this double bond will come, simultaneously this double bond will shift toward this carbon. Again this two electron will shift, double bond will come in here, then this double bond will shift. In next structure minus charge will come, again this minus charge will shift and this double bond will shift, means this pi electron will shift toward this nitrogen. Again just see structure first and structure fifth. So these are the same structure, but what is the change? The position of this pi bond will different. Just see here. Okay, so this structure continuously delocalized. Again, in next structure what happen? Again this lone pair of electron again will shift here. Okay, double bond will come. In another structure, this pi bond will shift. Okay, so these are continuously delocalized, and because of this resonating structure, So this aniline is less basic than ammonia. So in ammonia there is no resonance. Okay. So this is very important point, and so many times in NEET exam and JEE they will asking the questions on the basis of this concept. Okay. So one more important point, the order of basic strength in case of the methyl substituted aniline in aqueous solution. So this question is asking in JEE. Okay students. So this is the important point. The order of basic strength in case of the methyl substituted aniline in aqueous solution. This point is important. Aqueous solution. Okay. So it's as follows. If aqueous solution is there, then the order of strength of aniline is like this. So this is what you know. CH3 2 times NH. This is a secondary amine. Okay. Again CH3 NH2. This is a primary aniline. Okay. Sorry. This is primary amine. Okay. This is also secondary amine. So this is methylamine, this is a dimethylamine. Okay, again trimethylamine, and this ammonia. Means order is like this. First will come which one? 2 degree means secondary amine. Okay, and whether it is aryl or amine, aryl or alkyl amines. Okay, so first will come 2 degree, then 1 degree means primary, then 3rd degree will come, and last come ammonia, NH3. Now clear, this is very important in JEE. You remember this order. Okay. So in NEET exam they were asking the questions on the basis of this basic strength in JEE Mains. Okay. So now all of you clear this order, and also I hope you understand the why aniline is less basic than ammonia. Okay. So in board exam also they are asking the questions. Okay students. So next class we will discuss the another reactions of aniline. Thank you so much for watching this video.